everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make an easy crowd pleaser. We're going to make American baked ziti. It's a distant cousin of the Italian pasta al forno, but it's absolutely delicious. Kids love it. Great for entertaining and really quite easy to make. My nephew's got a new dog today, so my sister-in-law called and I said, you know what, let's put together a quick baked ziti so we'll have dinner together. Okay, so let's get started. We'll go visit the new dog and we'll have dinner together. Let's get started with the ingredients. For the tomato sauce, the first thing for the tomato sauce, I'm gonna have extra virgin olive oil, a small onion, 3 cans, and each can is 28 ounces, 3 pounds of pasta, and for the mixture, I'm going to have 2 pounds of ricotta, a pound of shredded mozzarella, 2 eggs, Parmigiano Reggiano butter cup, salt, and fresh cracked pepper. Again, you could put a little bit less pasta. If you have more ricotta, you could do that. The measurements are just guidelines, but you pretty much can make any amount you want. What I know as a guideline for myself, usually it's a can of tomato to a pound of pasta. And then the mozzarella and the other things, you pretty much give and take is okay. So let's get started. My flame is on medium low. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to add my onion. You don't want to burn the onion, so you just want them slowly to be golden colored. As the onions are cooking, what you could get ready now is the tomato. So I'm going to open up the cans, and what I'm going to do is use an immersion blender to quickly puree my peeled tomatoes. Can you use chopped tomatoes? Absolutely. Can you use passata di pomodoro? Absolutely. It's all what you find works for you and to your taste. I like my peeled tomato, and I like to just gently chop them with the immersion. Okay, just quickly with the immersion blender. If you're very careful, you're not even going to get a drop falling out. You see that? I cleaned my can on the outside already before. Okay, that's it. We're done. The onions look ready. Let's add the tomato sauce in it. And 3. Now I'm going to take one of the cans, put some water in it, and rinse all 3 with it. Here's the water that goes in. It's come to a boil, so I'm going to put it on medium-low and add about a teaspoon of salt, and we'll taste it later if we need to add more. Give it a stir. Leave your sauce uncovered because you want the water to evaporate, and cook it nice and thick. Don't forget your fresh basil, especially this time of the year where you have it fresh from the garden. The sauce is looking great. About 40 minutes have passed. I've now put a 6-quart pot of cold water for my pasta. I'm going to add my 2 eggs in my ricotta and mix it. And then I'm going to crack some fresh pepper, add the Parmigiano. I'm going to leave a little bit to just put on top. I'm just going to give it a little sprinkle of salt because the mozzarella could be salty. The Parmigiana has enough salt, so you don't want to overdo it with the salt. Okay, perfect. Finally, it's boiling. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab like this. What is it? couple teaspoons and add my pasta. Okay, due e tre, doing 3 pounds. I'm gonna use the wooden spoon that I use for the sauce and just stir it. Put a lid on it, bring it back to a boil, and then open it up again. Watch it, it could overboil, so just be careful. Okay, the assembly line is getting ready. Put your oven on 375. I moved the hot sauce, all my ingredients here, my plates, since I'm gonna be bringing it to my sister-in-law and my brother's house. I'm going to do disposable aluminum, and I have a Pyrex glass for here, okay? The water is boiling, the pasta is cooking. Get the pasta off the stove al dente because it will finish cooking in the oven. It's gonna be a baked ziti. It's not really an al dente kind of a dish. It's gonna be a little softer, but let me tell you, so delicious and so cheesy. It's really an amazing plate. 7 minutes passed, pasta looks al dente. I tasted the salt, it's perfect. So let's go ahead, drain it, and meet me at the counter. Pasta drained and it's back in the pot, and it's gonna be easy to assemble like this, okay? So I'm gonna start adding my tomato sauce in and give it a good stir. Okay, so you want the sauce all around it. Now the next thing I'm going to add is my ricotta cheese. Just add a little bit at a time because the pasta is very hot. See, can you see the gooeyiness of it already? A little mozzarella already. And just keep doing this until you've used up all the ingredients. I'm gonna put the tomato sauce at the bottom, the gooey pasta right in the middle. Okay. And now another little bit of the basil right on top. A good sprinkle of Parmigiano right on top. Okay. And more sauce. Level everything out. There you go. Another baked ziti. Put aluminum foil on top. And the baked ziti is ready to go in the oven.
Irish! She's filming.
The baked ziti is ready, and here's Joseph. Okay, you're gonna tell Zia how it is?
Yeah.
Let me see. Come la pasta forno?
I like it.
You like it? Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tell everybody to subscribe to my channel.
This pasta is the best. Subscribe and click the bell for more notifications.
Are you playing with me? No. Okay, enjoy it, Zia. I love you.